A very good day, Madam Rosiana and Sir Muhammad Arif. Today we would like to present on the title of our mini project Police Flashlight, working together with RIESHIKESAN, RUGENRAJ, Tommy and myself, Yamuna. So first I would like to start with introduction to our mini project. In this project, we will show on how to design the police flashlight using 555 timer IC. Police flashlights are flashing lights which are the type of emergency vehicle lighting. These similar flashing lights are used in ambulances, fire brigades, military vehicles and many more. Basically, it is visually captivating and often convey the state of the urgency of their task to the other road users. Next method, we made our project police flashlight schematic circuit and PCB layout using the application Proteus Professional 8. So this is the schematic circuit of our mini project. Next is printed circuit board PCB layout. Next slide is bill of material is called as BOM list, where we have been categorized as category, part name, description, quantity, units, picture, unit, cost and cost. And the total cost for this project causes around 101 ringgit and 10 cents. Next is list of function of components. First is LED, semiconductor light source that emits light when current flows through it. Next, 555 timer IC, generate an accurate timing pulse and it consists of 8 different types of pin. Next is resistor, used to restrict the flow of electric current. 12 power supply, supply the power to all of the components on the circuit. Next is connecting wire, allows an electrical current to travel from one point on a circuit to another. Printed circuit board, PCB, used to mechanically support and electrically connect electronic components using conductive pathways, tracks or signal traces etched from copper sheets laminated onto a non-conductive substrate. Next, capacitor, avoid flickering, eliminates excessive heat and act as a timer with the resistor for 555 timer IC so that time delay for both LED will be more accurate. We have been used two types of transistor. One is NPN, which is similar to a relay in the sense can use it to turn the current on and off. Next is PNP, which is similar as a relay in the sense can use it to turn the current on and off, but as the current flows in opposite direction of the currents in the NPN transistor.
Greetings, sir and madam. My name is Tommy Lee, and I will continue further with our group's result and discussion. So first of all, I am going to simulate live for our police light circuit. Okay, so this is our circuit. I will run the simulation right now. As you can see that our circuit is now functioning as it should be. And in general, the IC555 timer will generate an accurate timing pulse for the LEDs. So here we are using two IC555 timer. So one IC555 will control and generate an accurate timing pulse for a pair of LED lights. And next, I'm going to show the PCB layout. So as for our layout, for the battery part, we have replaced the battery with a T-block since the battery cannot be installed onto the PCB board. So that's why we have used the T-block on this PCB layout. Next, I will carry on to suggestions that our group have came up with. As for power supply, we do not exceed 14 volt as it will overvolt the whole PCB board, and we do not set it way below than 10 volts, as the LED light would not light up. And next, for the second suggestion, we can use an IC 4017 decade counter in this circuit, so that we can set the timer to be a smaller limit. So in short, that if we use IC 4017 decade counter, we can have an increase in efficiency and sensitivity, and a more accurate flashing light pulse and timing for the LED light. So in conclusion, this project operates red and blue LEDs in the correct sequence. The main driver of the circuit is the 555 timer IC, and the idea of the police car light flasher having the light flash alternately and at the same time having vibrating flash. So both 555 timer work as adjustable flip-flop with each different frequency. So that's all from our group. Thank you.